Hey everyone, my name is Shilpa and today we're going to create this colorful text fade animation in After Effects. Now the best thing about this is that you can save this as an animation preset, so you don't have to repeat all these steps whenever you have to create these animations. You can simply drag and drop and all these animations will already be applied. So let's see how to create this. Alright, so here we're in After Effects. So let's start by creating a new composition. Let's call this one be an animation. Width and height will be 1920 1080, frame rate 30, and just click on OK. Now let's create a solid background. So right click, solid, and on this one let's apply a 4-color gradient. Let's drag it over here. For the colors, it's completely up to you. You can pick whatever you want. I'm going to make all of these to this dark color. And let's select this and place it down below. So here we have our composition. Now select the text tool and we are ready to type our text. I'm going to type creative. Let's align it to the center of this comp. Now hold on to the control key and double click on this pan anchor tool so the anchor point is in the center. Now let's scale this up. I'm going to scale this to, let's say, 50. I think this looks good. And now we are ready to animate our text. So in order to do that, first we can open this up and we are going to use the animation property. So let's go over here, and the first thing that we are going to animate is the opacity. So let's set this to 0. Now we can animate it by going inside the range selector. Let's set the offset to -100. Let's add a keyframe. Now let's quickly zoom in a bit and just go to somewhere around 20 frames. And I'm going to set this to 100. Let's go to advanced. Under this, we can change a couple of these properties. So first, under the shape, I'm going to change this to ramp up. So now we have this motion. We can make this act really nice by simply increasing the ease high value to 100. Now if I press play, we have this very smooth text reveal over here. So once we have added our opacity animation, we are ready to add our color animation as well. So for that, again, we can go to animate, and this time we can go to fill and RGB hue, and this time we can change the color to whatever you want. Let's just make this to this yellow, and we can also play this around by simply adding the offset. So let's just set this to -100. Let's go to somewhere around 10 frames. Let's click on the stopwatch. After that, let's go to this and just set this to 100. Let's go under the advanced, and under here, let's just change the shape to ramp up. Now, if I press play, you can see we have this very nice text reveal with color as well. Now, at last, we can add some scaling animation to this. So let's select this, press S. Let's add a keyframe. Let's press U, and let's go to somewhere around here, and let's increase the size quite a bit, just somewhere around here. Let's select these keyframes, press F9. To ease them, let's go to the graph and let's make the graph look like this so that we have this very nice text coming in. Now you can select all of this, hold on to Alt key and just click and drag the stopwatch. If you want to have this little bit more smooth animation, maybe you can move these a little bit ahead. Now we have this our text coming up. Now after this, we want it to fade away as well. So the fading part is also quite easy. Let's open this up. Let's again add our animator for the opacity. Let's set the opacity to 0. Let's go inside the range selector. Let's add a keyframe. Let's select this to -100. Let's move a little bit ahead, set this to 100. Let's go under advanced, and instead of add, we are going to change this to subtract. And also let's change this to ramp up. Now what this will do is, this will fade out our text at the end. So now we can select this and press U. Now you can play around with the timing of everything. So for example, we can make it a little bit far away so that we have this continuous animation. I think this looks good. So now we can add some really nice glow to this as well. So right click, new. Let's add an adjustment layer. And on top of this, let's search for glow. Let's drag it onto this, and we are going to just increase this and just decrease this, something like this. Now select this layer, Control D, and on this one, increase this and let's increase this as well. Now we have this text with really nice glow as well. Now we can duplicate this. Let's press U. Just go to this point where we have these keyframes. At this point, we can have our next text coming in. So let's just move it over here. So our text will fade away and the next text will come. Now it's up to you. You can type whatever you want. So I'll type my text. Now if you want, you can change the color. It's quite easy. All you have to do is just select your layer and search for color. This time let's make it this pink. Now if I press play, we have our first text and then it fades away, and after that we have this second text coming in. Now you can play around with the timing if you want to make them faster or slower. It's completely up to you. So this is how you can create these kind of animations. Now let's see how you can save this as a preset, so you don't have to repeat all of these steps again in future if you want to create these animations. So for that, let's hide this for now and we are going to only focus on this. So let's open this up and we're going to close up all of these animators. And now if you want to save any preset, all you have to do is just select all the animators and let's select the scale property as well. After that, you can go to animation and click on save animation preset. Now it will take you inside this directory, and after that you can type whatever you want. So for example, you can type colorful text fade. After that, you just click on save and it will save it. I have already saved under this name, and once you have saved it, you can easily access it by going over to this and click on this, click on refresh list. So it will refresh the effect that you just created. Now let me just quickly show you how you can apply it. Let's select this text and just click and type whatever you want. Now if you want to apply all of those same animations, then what you have to do is just simply select this and let's search for colorful text fade, which is the preset that I just saved. So all you have to do is just drag and drop onto your text. Now if I press play, you can see we have our text coming in with all of these nice colors. Then it fades away. Let's place it down below so we have the glow as well. Now we have a text coming in, and the best thing is that you can press U, and from here you can easily change the timings of whatever keyframe you want. So for example, if you don't want to fade this, then you can simply just delete these keyframes and then your text will stay like this. So in this way you can make these kind of text fading animation using the animation properties, and then you can save this as an animation preset so you can use them in your future text as well. And with that being said, my name is Shilpa and I'll see you in the next one.